In a quiet apartment, a malfunctioning microwave awakens and reveals a secret recipe that predicts tiny future mishaps. The owner follows the clues, turning toast into time travel shortcuts, while neighbors gossip about cosmic kitchen destinies. Each minute becomes a punchline as beep pulses remix memories, and mistaken leftovers summon playful, phantom roommates for everyone listening. By sunset, the microwave curates a makeshift museum of dinners past, teaching forgiveness through flavor and absurdity. When the doorbell rings, the future folds back, leaving laughter lingering like steam, promising tomorrow's mysteries will taste better.